Hello students, I myself Professor Milind N. Jadhav from KKWAK Polytechnics, a faculty in Electronics and Telecommunications. Here we'll see the brief introductions for the block diagram of computer system. So before that, we'll see what is a computer. A computer is a machine that can be instructed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations, which can be performed automatically with the help of computing programming. The modern computers have the ability to follow the generalized sets of operations which are called as the programs. These programs enables computer to perform the extremely wide range of tasks. I will see the block diagram of computer which consists of input and the output form along with the central processing unit. The central processing unit, it consists of different sections which are control unit, arithmetic and logical units, the main memory sections, the auxiliary storage, which is also called as the memory units. The computer system consists of four parts. The first one is hardware, second is software, the third one is data, and the fourth one is users. Here we observe a picture of a computer in which we are observing the input-output devices along with the peripherals of the computers, which may be the forms of scanner, printer, keyboards, speakers, mics, mouse, and the other devices. Now let us see what is hardware. The hardware refers to the physical elements of the computer. This is also sometimes called as the machinery or the equipments of the computer systems. The basic examples of computer hardwares are keyboard, monitor, mouse, central processing unit, etc. We can also say that for this one, the DVD drive, CD or DVD, they are also the parts of the they are also the parts of the hardware, microphones, speakers, USB boards. Now, what is software? The software, the instructions that tells the computer what to do the operations. The software compromises the entire set of programs, the procedures, and the routines associated with the operations of the computer system. A set of instructions that directs the computer hardware to perform the different tasks which are called as the software programs. There may be different software languages are available depending on the operation that we want to perform. The next point is data. The data are the characteristics of the informations which are usually numerics that are collected through the observations. In more technical points, we can say that the data are the set of values of qualitative and quantitative variables about one or more persons or the objects. Basically, the data is also defined as the facts of figures or informations that stores in or used by a computer. For example, email. The next point related to computer is users. A user is a person who uses a computer or network services. The user is any individual who is not involved with supporting or developing a computer or the services related to that ones. Now these are some functional units which we observed in the block diagram of a computers. The first one, we can say that the arithmetic and logical units. When we enter the data through the input device, which is stored in the primary storage units, and actual processing of the data and the instructions are performed by the arithmetic logical units. The major operations performed by arithmetic logic units are additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, and by the logical unit, the operations performed are AND operations, NOR operations, or the operations related to digital techniques. The next point is control unit. The control unit is responsible for coordinating various operating using time signals. The control unit determines the sequence in which computer programs and the instructions are executed. The things like processing of programs stored in the main memory, the interpretations of the instructions and issuing of the signals for other units of the computer to execute them. After the control unit, the third unit is called the central processing unit. It is nothing but the combinations of the arithmetic logic units and the control units, jointly called as central processing unit or CPU. This is the brain of any computer systems, which takes all the major decisions, makes all sorts of calculations, and directs different parts of the computer functions by activating and controlling the different operations or the commands given by the operators. Thank you.